Hi boys and girls, so we've been doing subtraction all week long and we've used our strategies of using a 10 frame, drawing dots and crossing them off, and also our number line. So I'm going to show you one more strategy to help you. So what you can do is you start on the bigger number, and then this strategy is counting back. So if there's the number 3, I just do 3 dots like this. Then I touch the top number, I say its name, 8, 7, 6, 5, and I put 5. So if you don't have your number line and you don't have 10 frames, you can always do the little dots and it will help you. Okay, so the next one, I draw 2 dots because that's a 2, and I say it's like catch and count. 6, 5, 4, and 4 is the answer. So now my next number is 5, so I'm going to do 5 dots. So let's count it. Let's do 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and the answer is 4. Okay, so the next number is 4, so I'm going to draw 4 dots. And I'm going to say the name 7 and keep counting backwards. 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, so the next one has 4 again. So all I'm going to do is just draw those 4 dots because that just helps me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer is 1. So how many dots am I going to draw on the next one? Yep, I'm going to draw 7. Okay, so now let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 3. Okay, on the next one I have 5. So 5 dots. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And it's 1. On the next problem we have 6. So draw 6 dots. Now let's count backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Very good. Okay, 9 minus 2. Let's do 2 dots. 9, 8, 7. This one we're drawing 4. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Doing 4 dots here. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And on the last one, we're going to draw 5 dots. And let's count back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Okay, so we did this side together. Now it's your turn to try it on your own. So if you flip the paper over, you can use whatever strategy works best for you. If you want to use your number line, or if you like, drawing the dots and counting backwards. I want you to try this one on your own. So push pause on the video, try it, and then we will correct it when you're done. All right, did you give it a try? Let's check your answers. The first one is 2, then 7. The next one is 3, then 2. How did you do on the first row? Good? Good. Now let's check the next one. 6, 1, 5, and 1. Still doing good? Nice job. The last row is 5, 2, 2, and 6. All right, boys and girls, good job with subtraction this week. Hopefully by now we understand what subtraction is. And next week we'll work on some more strategies to help us become more fluent with our subtraction.